Knowing how to identify the higher time frame zones in the uptrend is the key solution to get more buying opportunities from the lower time frame. Welcome to the Trading Focus once again. Hope everyone is doing good. In today's video, we are going to show you the powerful bullish zones to buy from by entering from the lower time frame. That sounds amazing, guys. Subscribe on the channel, leave the comment below, like the video, and we see you in a minute on our today's video. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So this is where we are going to be starting from. The breakout from the higher time frame in the bullish direction has a big secret. So this is what we are going to be looking for. So as the market will be moving up, remember, we are going to be starting from the higher time frame, daily time frame. So this is how the market is going to be moving, and after that I'm going to show you this on the chart. Okay, so now if we are in the uptrend, as we are talking about, we are making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and higher lows. So as we are moving up, we are getting to the areas of consolidation. Okay, these areas of consolidation, so this is the low and this is the high. Okay, so as now the market is moving up from this area, you are expecting the market to break above. Remember, this is from the higher time frame, means that in the middle of this area there is a big distance from here to buy from in the lower time frame, or even someone who sell from the uptrend with the deep pullback. Okay, so now what we look for is that the market to break above. Okay, so if we break above from this resistance, the area which has been rejected multiple times, this zone, okay, means that this zone was very stronger to be broken, is a chance of continue moving up. Okay, so what do we look at when we break out that area? Okay, so listen careful here. As we break out from this consolidation from the higher time frame, remember, we are looking for like a new formation of the chart patterns from the lower time frame. Okay, as we create the chart patterns, that is bearish reversal chart patterns. Okay, as we create those chart patterns from the lower time frame, means that we are staying above this area. What we are going to be looking for is just taking a buy from these areas. Okay, taking a position of buying from this area means that you are going to be moving to the lower time frame. Okay, so as you are looking for those chart patterns, you are staying above this area, you are expecting the market to continue in the uptrend. Okay, so that is the first scenario to look at on that. Okay, also again, as long as this area stays stronger, even if the market will be pulling back, okay, let's say the market pulls back and touch from this area, okay, this one, so as long as we pull back and reaches from this area, we look for just small chart patterns from the lower time frame to be buying from. Okay, so the same as what happened here. So we broke out from this area. As long as we stay in the middle of this area, we confirmed that we are in the uptrend. Okay, as we confirm that we are in the uptrend, so means that we are rejecting from the low strong zone. So as long as we pull back and touches this area, we are going to be looking for buy from this area, only that. Okay, the stop loss will be always below this area because we are strong enough to be staying above from this area. That's how we continue with the trend. Okay, so now this is what I'm talking about from the higher time frame. From the lower time frame, the formation will be looking like this. As long as we are moving up, okay, making higher highs and higher low, we have different kinds of formation of the market. So we reject some areas, okay. As long as we break above, okay, we break above from those areas. Let's say we are like this. This is a support and this is a stronger resistance from this area, okay. In general with this one. So now we broke above. We broke above from this area. Let's say we are from 1 hour. So now as we break above this area, we are looking for the formation of the chart pattern, okay, from above this resistance. So why? Because we are avoiding to be getting some fake out from this area. The market can fake you out and we go back in the consolidation. That's why you need a stronger confirmation that is going to give you a confidence to be looking for buy from this area. Remember, as long as you reject from resistance, this is an opportunity for you to be expecting the market to continue uptrend. Okay, that's how you deal with the uptrend zone breakout and retracement. Okay, let's get straight to the chart, and everything you need, you're gonna find it there. Okay, now from GJ here, we are in the uptrend. From the higher time frame, we are in daily time frame. Okay, so means that we broke above this area. Okay, this was a strong zone, so we broke above this one. So the formation of the uptrend is that the history also in the market repeat itself. We consolidated, or we've been moving up from this area. We got an opportunity to be breaking above. When you break above, as I was talking about, you are expecting the market to be staying above the what? The stronger resistance zone, okay, which means that is a higher high, higher low to go for the higher high. So, and this one became a support turned into resistance. In general, this is what happened. Low, lower high, lower low, expecting to go for the higher high. So what are we expecting from here is that we are waiting for the market to break above this area. As long as we stay above this area, we are expecting the market to keep moving up. Okay, so let's see if we can break above this consolidation, or if we reject from here and move back from this area to this zone, we are expecting also to be taking a buy. As simple as that. So let's see here if we can break out. If we break out, we are going to decide to buy above this area. So remember, when we move to the lower time frame, when we get an opportunity of breaking above this area, we are going to be looking for some chart patterns or bullish reversal chart patterns. So if we reject again from this area and we come back to this zone, this is a support zone. So this demand zone will give us an opportunity to buy from this area, because the history in the market repeat itself. Okay, so as we rejected from this area and then we move up, the same as here, the same as this area is what we are expecting also from this area. So we are looking for that. So let's see if we can break above or reject from this zone. Remember, we are in the daily time frame. Okay, let's see, we are pushing up. So we broke above this area. So to avoid a fake out, breaking above or breaking above the zone or breaking above the consolidation doesn't mean that we are no longer in the consolidation. You need the confirmation from the retracement from the areas you broke above to make sure that you are continue in the uptrend direction. Okay, so now what are we waiting for? We are waiting for a retracement from this area so that we can keep expecting the market to be moving up. So now after that, if we get that confirmation, we are going to be buying from this area, pulling back. As long as we are making a higher low, this is a higher low, we are expecting the confirmation to go for the higher high. Okay, we are still in the uptrend. This is an opportunity to move to the lower time frame and see what is happening there. Okay, moving to the lower time frame H4. So we are now still above this area, this zone. We are safe to be looking for entries from the chart patterns to go for bullish. Okay, so now we are focusing on the formation of the chart pattern from this area so that we can take a buy and target this area. Our target will be from this area. So I'm now focusing on the formation of the candlestick to form a bullish reversal chart pattern from this area. So now let's see what happened. Okay, so we broke above from this area where we left with a demand zone. So we are looking for a retracement from this area so that we can enter for buy by targeting our previous high. Okay, let's see, we can get that confirmation. Okay, we got a rejection with this bearish candle, which is a sign of buying continuation. Let's wait for the candlestick to be formed, which will be bullish. Okay, now we got a bullish candle. So now we are going to be entering from this area, taking a buy, long position. The stop loss have to be below the previous zone from this area, and our target will be from this area. Okay, this is where we are going to be looking to be taking profit from. Okay, so now what I'm looking for, even inside of the trend, I'll be looking for some areas to be entering from and target some few amount. Okay, so let's see what happened. Okay, the market keep pushing up. Now we created also a demand area from this one. So now we are going to also be taking a buy. Got a bullish harami. Okay, now as we are creating high highs and high lows, we are confident that our stop loss is safe. Okay, so let's see what happened. Still moving up, making high highs and high lows. Okay, we are still moving up. Let's see if we can get to our target from that area. So back to our previous low, this is a demand area. So if we get a confirmation of the candlestick, we can also look for a bullish continuation where we can take this opportunity to buy from this area. So now we have a bullish engulfing candle. Let's take a buy also from this area. The stop loss will be below this area. Let's see how much are we gaining from this. Okay, 1 to 3. Okay, now let's see what happened. Market keep pushing. So now we go to our target. So this is what I was talking about. As long as you break above the stronger zone from the higher time frame, from a daily time frame, that's where you are going to be confident that you are in another area where you can play your buying entries safely. Now we got 2-3 trades which were positive. So as long as also if we create this area as a stronger zone, it will be the same scenario where you break above this area, you check from the higher time frame and you start looking for the buying opportunities. So now when we are in from this area, now someone who will trade a pullback will be looking for the opportunities, because we are expecting the market also to repeat by the same way it happens from this area. So now we've been looking for the bullish continuation from breaking the strong areas where we can take opportunity to be buying from. So the next video we'll be looking for the continuation from the uptrend to the downtrend. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for your time. Until next time, take care and be safe.